Guys, मैंने food के ऊपर I made a number of videos on food, okay, talking about how the food is basically a poison. It's poisonous food. It's processed, it is synthetic, it has preservatives and it has plastics in it. ठीक है? And it has additives in it. And it is basically not food. In many cases, you're not even eating food. You're simply eating a disease, right? I'm going to talk about now how Americanism, corporationism, and capitalism is giving you mental problems also. ठीक है? One of the biggest is Ferber method. ये पता, I don't know why. Even Indian parents, even Desi parents have started to not co-sleep with their kids. Come on, are you guys idiots? Are you guys idiots? It is simple math. This is directly, this is directly causing anxiety issues and mental health issues in the kids. Don't you guys see it? Ferber method. What is this? It's only for, first of all, many people think this is a way of life. You know what? This is just a sleep training. You don't need it. What is this stupidity? Didn't you sleep well with no Ferber method around? How can you leave your age-old, thousands of year-old traditions for some stupid idea propagated by corporations for their own benefit? Do you know one thing? That the field of psychiatry got a big boost from all this. Do you know that? Go check. A lot of psychiatrists are needed in hospitals. They made it mandatory. Why? They were not needed about 20 years back. Why? Because the kids who were raised in 80s, 40 years back, they are healthy kids. But the ones who are getting raised now, they're not healthy, mentally healthy. Yes? And then all these processed foods, Red Bull, Pepsi, Coke, all these synthetic foods, they are not helping at all. They are causing more and more mental health issues. Right? And what these guys do, when you go to them and say, oh, I'm having this issue, they say, oh, it's genetic. It's because of genes. Oh, it's because of your genes. So, food is not responsible. The methods propagated by these corporations, these profit-seeking corporations, are not responsible. Again, not all corporations are bad. Please remember, I believe food-related and health-related corporations are really, really very, very bad. But I'm in favor of corporations in general, because without that, you cannot achieve economies of scale that is needed to run the world more efficiently. But anyway. But otherwise, these profit-seeking corporations, obviously, they are injecting more and more stupid ideas, foolish ideas in your life, and you guys don't see it. And because of that, mental health issues are occurring. They in the movies they show that, hey, she or he did not eat meds, so she got an attack. She got this. Oh my God! Oh really? So your meds are really, so the message that these movies who are working in conjunction with all these, in connivance with all these corporations, they are saying that eating these meds is what keeps everybody right, in check. Hello, these meds are the reasons in first place because of which these issues are occurring. These foods, the foods of yours are the ones. These guys are giving wrong ideas. These medicines are nothing but poisons. Yes, they do take care of a few diseases, but then they have such heavy side effects, such bad side effects, you can't even imagine. So guys, beware of the mental health issues in the society, and beware of the fact that these corporations are, for their own profit, injecting ideas into your mind, Ferber method and all, and they're so convincing. They back it with some stupid research which only they can do, because they are the only ones who have $100 million. Who would do a research to prove otherwise? Because he would also need $100 million, right? So basically, there is no way you can counter this insurgence of these poor methods and bad methods and mentally destabilizing methods and bad medicines and food and all those things. You cannot do anything. Right? This food is also backed by years and years of research, years and millions of dollars of research. Who would do all this research to prove that this food is bad? Nobody is interested in doing the research that Coke and Pepsi are bad and Red Bull has these problems. You know how people sometimes die of heart attack all of a sudden when they are working so hard? Yeah, because they drink Gatorade. Gatorade is nothing but poison. It's synthetic. Yeah, they'll show it's peach. There's some peach in it. No, there is nothing in it. It's just synthetic. Obviously you'll die. Never drink Gatorade, never drink Red Bull, never drink these energy drinks, never drink all these things. These are all just synthetic foods, not even processed. They're synthetic foods. They're made in the industrial plants, and obviously they give you mental health issues as well. Guys, just wanted to make everybody aware of the fact that these mental health issues are everywhere, are because of the food and the methods and the stupid habits of these people, right? Of the people of that they're propagated by these corporations and in America, and they're obviously some form of capitalism, which I'm not in favor of. All right, guys, thank you.